Welcome back. Macbook password recovery. First go to recovery, Windows and R, and the screen will be shown. And then on the top, you have to open the terminal. Now here in the terminal, you have just to type a single command, that is password reset. Don't make any space in between password reset. There you go. Now go to this window on the background. I'm gonna slide it here and there. There you have to type a new password that you want to remember. This time do remember it and retype it. And if you want to give any hint, just here and then click next and wait. So that's done. Now just reboot your laptop. There you go, screen start. Now type the password and click enter. That's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments. Also share with others so it will be helpful.